the update for today, the 13th of October 2020, with regard to COVID-19 in the state is as follows. The number of new cases today is 67. East Khasi Hills 45, West Garo Hills 10, Ribhoi 5, North Garo Hills 2, South Garo Hills 2, East Jaintia Hills 1, Southwest Garo Hills 1, and West Jaintia Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 2,367. East Khasi Hills 1,649. Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 35. And others category 1,614. West Khasi Hills 6. Southwest Khasi Hills 25. Ribhoi 327. 49 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 278 from the others category. West Jaintia Hills 80. East Jaintia Hills 12. West Garo Hills 169. Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 35, and others category 134. Southwest Garo Hills 22, South Garo Hills 37, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 1, and others category 36. East Garo Hills 18, and North Garo Hills 22. The total number of cases we have recovered is 133, and 95 are from East Khasi Hills, 19 from West Garo Hills, 11 from East Jaintia Hills, 3 from Ribhoi, 2 from East Garo Hills, 2 from Southwest Garo Hills, and 1 from West Jaintia Hills. The total number of cases we have recovered till date is 5,406, and the total number of deaths is 65, where we have received officially till today morning, and there is one death today morning, that is in East Khasi Hills.